Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're taking up the G44 Widgeon, Grumman Widgeon, which is, and this plane is the flight test brand. Okay, let's see, we got right, we got left, we got up, we got down, we got right, we got left. I've already done my range test. Going off into the wind now. I don't know. I don't think I need any trim at all. This plane will absolutely turn the roll, and I'm in low rates right now, just so you know. I'm running a Lemon RX stability receiver, not the one that has auto level, but has just the gyro, the 3-axis gyro. See if I can't bring her in for a nice slow pass here. Now, with this plane here, even though she's a high wing, if you get her too slow, she'll drop a wing on you. So you need to actually land her like you would a warbird, with a little bit of speed. And she is designed to take off and land on water, and like, I've still got me some pretty positive throttle, so that was a little bouncy, bouncy. It's a good looking bird though, I can tell you that. Let me go down here a little bit. And I pretty much have decided that I really only want to land and take off on the ground with her. I'm just not, I know a lot of people love water planes, and this is her main push. I understand that. But I'm just not a water plane person. I'm a very weak swimmer. See if I can't get a little bit better of a landing here. There we go. There we go. Oh, we got that plane here again. There's a lot of traffic out here between the road and there. That's a good looking bird. Now, and I'm running this in low rates. My rates, here, I'll tell you, I'll show it to you. If you can see it, my low rate is 70% throws with 40% expo. Mid rates is 80/40, and high rates is 100/30. You saw what? You know what? Let's take off in high rates this time. You saw low rates. Look at how much those throws are. You saw me, I did a loop while ago, or a roll, right? Yeah.
Low rate.
I'll go back to low rates. See, I'm of the opinion this is a scale bird. So Try to fly her scale. She is a pretty bird. Oh man, good looking. Good looking, handsome plane. How about that? Now when you turn with her, you want to use a little bit of rudder to get those nice crisper turns. A little bit of rudder and a little bit of aileron. You know, keep her level. Try to do as much of a coordinated turn as you can. But she'll slow right down to a decent crawl. You just don't want to let her slow down too much. So, but she is a lot of fun to fly. All right, steep approach. And then pull back out of it a little bit to bleed off some speed. All right, got 1 minute left. Let's get turned around. There we go. You know I'm going to do it. You know I had to. You know I had to do it one more time. I'm about to get that time expired warning.
Time expired.
All right, well there you go, folks. That's the G44 Grumman Widgeon by Flight Test. Now, this is their first full-size standard plane they came out with, and I think they still have her in stock. And there you go, good looking bird, great on the water, great on the land, great flying plane. Like I said, I'm running a Lemon RX with stability, not the auto level, and not the auto plus. I'm running a 2200. Now, motor's off. Now let me show y'all something, folks. A lot of people have a hard time getting the CG right. Well, you saw how I flew this plane, okay? Right there, I'm running a Hobby Star 2700 3-cell. I've got it halfway. If you're looking right in the battery hatch, this 2700 is halfway out, halfway in. So if you had a 2200, you could actually pull it maybe down, maybe another quarter, half inch down further because it's a lighter battery. But that's where I've got a 2700. You can see it's halfway. So, and the CG is just about perfect. Right on that little panel line there, just perfect. All right, well folks, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and bye-bye.